How to let people repost your videos on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy on the bottom. After that, select Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Downloads. Here, make sure that Video Downloads is enabled. This allows other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. Following these steps, you can easily let other people repost your videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.